Yo. I wanna get out this boot and roll a joint so bad, we gon' smoke this motherfucker quick. Yeah. We gon' have to try the one take Jacob. I wanna get to the table and roll me something. Shout out to my homie Dog. You smoked your verse on the album too. Motion picture soundtrack coming soon. One love to everybody with a race, man. Yo, don't drink and drive though. When I park, I cut my wheels so you can see my rims. Got the gold 24s on the roads for the win. Bitches tryna go where you get in, where you fit in. I'm not free to January, can you wait till then? I got so much cash to get, hustle on my to-do list. It's the only thing there is, so mama, there it is. We got all of the ship, we got products to mix. Cooking dope in here with rich, cause the streets need to fix. Broke niggas ain't shit set to a broke bitch. And a hoe without no those a hoe you won't see me with. Got the game for some pimps, but stayed in my own lane. Though occasionally my Mac Daddy always get me paid. All I need is Doja sticks and Element lemonade. Smoking major as I sip on my hammock in the shade. Don't play with me, cause you'll get played. I'm the captain of the ship, ain't no hoe getting saved. You gon' drown waiting for me to reach out for you, babe. Don't wait for me, wait for your nigga. He gon' come in there and watch the movies with you. I'm the one gon' keep it moving right after I hit you. Usual decoration towers wipe off, then I'm splitting. Don't wait for me, don't play with me, don't hate on me. Make way for me.